Alright, so viewers, here we have this 52-inch Hunter Comfort Breeze. Has the label on it still. Robbins and Myers. And this is a reversible model. Reverse switch being on top. The fan was probably the newest fan at fleaworld, actually. It was only there probably for 2 or 3 months. So that's why it's in such good condition. As you can see on the center poster is some fishing line. You see, one of the places this was like a comic store at the fleaworld, and they hung a little action figure from there, so it's just there. Anyway, this fan runs really well balanced and everything, so start this fan off on low speed, so high, medium, low. Only thing missing on this fan is the grommet for the hook. There was not one on it when I got it. It was just simply on a cage looped onto it. So, and that's low. Off, high, medium. Pretty nice fan, actually. You can tell it's already doing a good breeze. I'm not sure if this might be for the on log or down round. Let's go ahead and go low, off, high. And this one I didn't oil also, this one just runs silent. Go over here and get a shot of this one on the side. Alright, time for spin down. So, medium, low, off. Let's go back over here. This fan has already been traded also, so it's going to the same collector who's getting the 852. I'm trading them for the last 3 Tat Industrials. I surprised how good this fan, good condition this fan is in, actually. fleaworld was an outdoor flea market, and it was basically always getting rained on, and Florida humidity and all that kind of stuff, so this fan actually put up a pretty good fight for 3 months, so it looks pretty good. Oh, I didn't turn the radio off. Oh well. I knew I forgot something and turned the radio off. Alright, this is the last one for the fleaworld fans. After this, I will be starting on the bowling alley Strato fans. I'm going to start with the HRS, the one I'm keeping first. And then we'll go through the EnviroFan-like ones after. Pretty good spin down time, actually. Anytime now you won't stop. It's really bummed how you're sleeping. Cute. There are some dogs, they're sleeping right next door to me. Anytime now. Okay. There we go. Okay, thanks for watching.